हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप सभी को मिलते हैं फुल्ली एक्सेसिबल टॉक बैक के साथ टेक्नोलॉजी, जॉब अलर्ट से संबंधित नई नई अपडेट्स। इन नई अपडेट्स को पाने के लिए चैनल को कीजिए सब्सक्राइब और पास में बने बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके कीजिए ऑल पे सेट, ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारी वीडियो की सबसे पहले अपडेट। तो कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड यूट्यूब चैनल।
Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Information for Visually Impaired. Today I will discuss about IBPS vacancy PU. This will be an online examination. Candidates can apply online from 20 October 2021 to 10th November 2021. Online payment application fees for PWBD candidates will be rupees 175. Tentative dates for examination are as follows. Preliminary examination 4th December 2021 and 11th December 2021. Mains examination January 2022. Interview February-March 2022. Participating banks: Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Union Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. Vacancies for PWBD candidates: Bank of India HI 6, OC 6, VI 6, ID 6. Bank of Maharashtra HI 4, OC 4, VI 4, ID 4. Canara Bank HI 7, OC 6, VI 7, ID 6. Central Bank of India HI 2, OC 2, VI 2, ID 2. Indian Overseas Bank HI 1, OC 1, VI 1, ID 1. Punjab and Sindh Bank HI 8, OC 4, VI 5, ID 6. UCO Bank HI 2, OC 4, VI 7, ID 6. Union Bank of India HI 28, OC 10, VI 16, ID 36. This examination will be conducted in 3 phases: pre, mains and interview. The structure of examinations which will be conducted online are as follows. Preliminary examination. English language 30 questions for 30 marks. Quantitative aptitude 35 questions for 35 marks. Reasoning ability 35 questions for 35 marks. Candidates have to qualify in each of the 3 tests by securing minimum cut-off marks to be decided by IBPS. Mains examination. Reasoning and computer aptitude 45 questions for 60 marks. General, economy, banking, awareness 40 questions for 40 marks. English language 35 questions for 40 marks. Data analysis and interpretation 35 questions for 60 marks. English language letter writing and essay 2 questions for 25 marks. Interview. Candidate who have been shortlisted in the online mains examination will subsequently be called for an interview to be conducted by participating banks and coordinated by nodal bank in each state UT with the help of IBPS. Age criteria. Candidate should be of minimum of 20 years and maximum of 30 years on 1 October 2021. For persons with benchmark disabilities as defined under the Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016, age relaxation of 10 years will be given. Guidelines for persons with benchmark disability using a scribe. The visually impaired candidates and candidates whose writing speed is adversely affected permanently for any other reason can use their own scribe at their cost during the online examination, preliminary and main. In all such cases where a scribe is used, the following rules will be applied. The candidate will have to arrange his/her own scribe at his/her own cost. The scribe may be from any academic stream. Both the candidate as well as scribe will have to give a suitable undertaking confirming that the scribe fulfills all the stipulated eligibility criteria for a scribe. Further, in case it later transpires that he or she did not fulfill any laid down eligibility criteria or suppressed material facts, the candidature of the applicant will stand cancelled irrespective of the result. Those candidates who use a scribe shall be eligible for compensatory time of 20 minutes or otherwise advised for every hour of the examination. The scribe arranged by the candidate should not be a candidate for the online examination. If violation of the above is detected at any stage of the process, candidature of both the candidate and the scribe will be cancelled. Only candidates registered for compensatory time will be allowed such concession. Best of luck for exam. Thank you so much for watching our video.